Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today in this video, we're gonna do an oil change on my Jeep. It needs a lot of TLC, so we're gonna start off with the oil. I actually got this stuff at Walmart. It came out to like $20 something. So I got the Chevron Supreme 10W30, and then I got the Fram PH16. All right, so on the Jeep, it's pretty easy to do. Up here is where you wanna put the oil in. The Jeeps, they're pretty tall, so you can fit underneath without having to lift it. To take out the drain plug, you need a 16 mil socket and it'll come right out. So I want to give a huge shout out to Tyler Dunkel. I believe that's how you say his name. Here's his Jeep. It's pretty sick. Good picture. Here's another picture. So yeah, thanks for supporting the channel by picking up the shirts. Let me show you guys the shirts. This is one of the shirts. It's a tank top. Has the Jeep grill on it. The Jeep WJ grill. Just a black shirt with the Jeep on the rocks. Who doesn't like a Jeep on the rocks? This design was made by my cousin. I made the Jeep grill one. So if you guys want to pick up one of these shirts, the link will be down in the description below. Use code WJ for a discount. Okay, let's get back into the video. I forgot to mention this, but you are going to want an oil pan underneath this. There it is. Jesus. Oh my God, dude. Well, I don't know what happened with my bolt, but it's super tight on there. So I'm using this breaker bar so I can take it off. Jesus. You get it? Yeah, I got it. My transmission leaks too. Yeah. Dude, my oil is fucking black. Once you got the oil draining, you want to change out the oil filter also. You can use these tools. So this one is just like a clamp. So you just clamp it on and twist it. And then this one, interesting. So you put it through and then you lock it in and loosen it up. I'm gonna use this one because it seems easier. And you want to make sure you put your pan underneath it to catch any oil that comes out. So you just want to loosen it up just enough for the oil to start dripping out, and then let it do its thing. Leave it there until it stops, and then take it out all the way afterwards.
Or that. That works.
Perfect.
Hey.
All right.
Money
so
shot.
You can just let it fall down onto the oil pan.
Frams will make good dance.
Frams will make it.
Oh, people gonna be mad at you.
And this thing, when you twist it, just twist it on hand tight. You don't need to use these to twist it on. It'll be fine. Let's check the bottom, see if there's still oil coming out. And if there isn't, I'm just gonna plug it back up and then put the new oil in. The Jeep actually takes 6 quarts, so make sure you get the extra little one just to fill it up. It takes a lot.
Tell them about your $20 oil change?
Yeah, I already told them. And if they haven't, they could check out my other video where I explained my $20 oil.
There you go. That's, yeah, it was 20 bucks, right?
Yeah. So there's 2 dots here. One says add and one says safe. With the 5 quarts, it only got up to the add. So now I did the last quart, and I'm gonna check it, make sure it's on safe, and we'll be good to go. So it's kind of hard to see, but the oil level, it's about where the D is, a little bit above the safe level. It should be fine. We're just gonna send it. It'll go down once you start it. Some of it will go into the oil filter, so the level will be right where it should be. Put in the cap. So that's how you change the oil on the Jeep Grand Cherokee. If you want to do it an easy way, just take it to your local mechanic. They'll do it for about the same price.
No way, 20 bucks?
No, you could probably get an oil change for 40 bucks, 50 bucks maybe, because it does take more oil than the usual, you know, little Ultima or whatever. But yeah, you can do it at home. It's pretty easy, simple to do. If you guys like this video, make sure to comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. Give it a like, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.